Hey y'all, it's me, Danielle, otherwise known as datgirldannie, here on YouTube and Instagram. And today is the continuation of my wash day. I washed my hair, and now is when I style it. I recorded all of this in the same day. So what this is my wash day hairstyle. My goal was to do my hair or have my hair completed on the same day as wash day, and I usually don't get to do that because my hair takes a long time to dry. So however I'm styling it, I have to wait for it to be dry until it is complete. But so on this particular wash day, what I did was I created a hairstyle that I can just wear as soon as it's finished and wash day is complete and my hairstyling is complete. So now that I got that out the way, and you can kind of see what I just did, is I did a flat twist. What I'm doing is about 8 flat twists going straight to the back. But what's different about these flat twists is I'm doing what I would call slicks at the beginning of each flat twist. Most people would just say you're styling your edges, but I'm not so much styling my edges as I am slicking my hairline down in a swooping motion, and then I'm doing a flat twist straight to the back. And the products I use for this hairstyle, I kind of OD'd on it. I overdid it. I used too much product, and not because my hair didn't dry or anything like that, but I just used too much product. So if you remember in my previous video, I moisturized my hair. I showed you guys my moisturizing routine, which included a spray leave-on conditioner and then a curl activating cream by Cantu, which is my moisturizer, and then I followed that up with grease. Normally that hairstyle works perfectly fine, or those products work perfectly fine for any hairstyle I do, but particularly for this hairstyle, I because eventually I wore this as a twist out. For me and my hair, grease doesn't help with my twist outs. Of course, it helps my hair retain moisture that I put on wash day, and it helps my hair get a shine. But as far as a styling product, grease is not a styling product. So I said that to say I wouldn't, if I could do this all over again, I wouldn't use grease. I would just use a styler only on top of my moisturizing products. And the styler that I use on top of grease that you guys don't see is I used a foam. I didn't use a lot of it because at this point I had so much product on my hair that it was just too much. So anyway, you can just see that I am flat twisting my hair to the back. I did these 4 on this side, and on the opposite side I'm going to do the rest. I really like doing my hair this way. I can really set it and forget it, but you'll see how I kind of switch it up at the end, how I style it even more. But the main focus was I wanted to do these little slicks at the beginning of my flat twist, which I think are so cute, and it really makes it takes it up a notch. And here I am doing it on the other side. So please excuse all the product residue. Like I said, I definitely overdid it with the hair products. Let me run down the list of everything I have on my hair because I didn't show it, right? So you saw me greasing my scalp. I have a leave-in liquid conditioner, which is fine. I have a lot of that Cantu moisturizing activator styling cream in my hair. And on top of that, I have grease. And on top of that, I was using a foaming wrap. So that's all the products I have on my hair. If I could do it over again, I would definitely eliminate the grease, only because it's not a good styler. So this is just me finishing up, and you'll see in a second how I styled this hairstyle. Okay, so this is the completed look. I wanted it to look a little bit more feminine. It don't help that I have on like this graphic tee, but but I wanted it to look a little bit more feminine. So of course I did my makeup. I thought my little slick edges was gonna make it look really feminine, but I needed to look a little more feminine. And what I might do is like maybe do 2 low ponytails and add like some Marley hair. Oh, that would look really cute. Okay, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna put a few strands together and we're gonna make 2 ponytails. Alright. 3. Okay, that's feminizing this hairstyle. Which ones y'all like best? Y'all tell me, comment down below. You guys tell me down below, how do you guys wear your hair on wash day? Would you consider this style, or is this not cute enough, or do you have to work too hard for it to be cute? I don't know. I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's cool, it's hip, it's trendy, you know, with the little, you know, baby slick edges and space buns. I think people still do that, and accessorize. So yeah, you guys let me know down below how you like this hairstyle. Be sure to like this video if you do like this hairstyle and my routine that I do when I wash my hair on wash day, and just comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I like talking to y'all in the comment section. I really do. Even if you're watching this video weeks or months from now, more than likely I will still engage you in the comments, because that's just how much I appreciate you all. So I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys be blessed.